Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum and warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. This is body worn camera, and this is a portable device that can record audio, video, and capture pictures of people or places. You can use this camera easily on the chest strap, and you can hang this camera on the helmet and on the bike, on the car. Body worn camera are the newest addition to the product line, and mostly use these cameras security forces and other purposes. And these cameras come with a small touch screen and work on the Android system. Commonly used these cameras for visual evidence with audio, and mostly these devices are used by the security forces for the security purposes. And I show you how this work. Look, this at this side there are three buttons, and you can easily record video, audio, and take pictures. Look, this here are three buttons. Look, this now you can take pictures from this button. And look, this a very small screen, and result is also very good. The camera is capturing the picture very good. And on this side, as you can see, at this side here are also, if I can show you at here, you can see the flashlights also with the IR lights. You can press this switch to on the flashlights and IR lights. And here, this is the interface for the USB and also for the charging. You can use this connector. And here on the face, here are four buttons, as you can see over here. Menu, and you can up and down the menu list from these two up and down buttons. And here is the, on the right side, you can see here is a back button, and you can up and down to choose the any setting that you want to change. Look, this from these two up and down buttons you can easily choose any setting or change any setting that you want to change or check. Look, this is a very good and easy to use camera. And from this button you can use, look, this all three options here. You want to take pictures, if you want to video, and look, this playback. At here, if you record, your recorded videos are here. You can see these videos by pressing on the video. Look, this. Now you can toggle up and down to shift, and you can delete easily. And look, this. Now these are the videos. You can see from this button video, pictures, and audio. And you can also record audio in this device easily. And look, this, these are the audio recordings. You can play from here, and you can also delete from here. Look, this. Yes, now this audio has been deleted. Now on the top here you can see a hanger for the, and at this side IR lights and camera face, and this is another model of the body worn camera. And at this side you can see here is you can use a micro SD card and 3 buttons here. Look this. On this camera you can see here 3 buttons, and in this camera you can adjust his camera lens according to your requirements. Look this, movable camera with this device. And also here are 4 buttons for the movie. On the top for the movie button and picture button, and here are, you can see this is on off button. You can easily on and off this device, and also you can record any event or any conversation. You can record with audio and video, and you can also take pictures. And here, look this, and the function of these cameras are very easy, and you can also attach these cameras with the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and easily you can watch the recorded video by using the USB cable to attach this camera with your laptop, and you can easily watch the videos, pictures, or audio recordings you can hear. So this is very useful, handy and small, and very slim camera, and all the features you can see here. This is the menu list. You can record, you can delete, you can watch, playback videos, and take pictures and watch pictures, delete pictures, and you can audio. And here are on the right and left there are buttons. Look this. Now you can off this device from the this one second button from the top. Look this. Now this device is off, and this is very good device, because you can adjust the camera of the device, this device, and this is an other device, and this is a small size camera with the 4 buttons here. As you can see, all the things mentioned over here, and here you can see this is the hanger. You can hang this camera from this, and also here is a small screen, and on the front with the camera behind the under the camera, as you can see, there is a touch button to take picture or start the video, and 3 LED lights for indication, and press and hold this button to switch on this camera. This is a very good and very useful device, and the battery is low of this device, and also these cameras are comes with IR, and with the night vision functions. These cameras are very good. And now you can see, you can use any function by pressing these buttons. As you can see, everything is mentioned on the buttons. Here is the playback and record, and you can use the front button that is under the camera lens. You can press and record. Look, this button, you can press this, and look this on the screen, recording dot, red color recording dot is blinking. If I can show you now, this is recording now. And look this at this side, USB interface, and also port for the micro SD card. And look this, and the front button, this function is very good. And also on the top there are 3 indication lights. These are very good. So you can easily check during the function of the camera, is it on the recording mode or on the standby. And this camera is very easy to use. Look this, these are the functions: record audio, video, take picture, and playback all the recordings. And these cameras are very useful and easy to use. And this is the video of today. And if you like our videos and want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon. Thank you.